What's up, guys? My name is Tyler Zombie Hill, professional MMA fighter and kickboxing instructor, bringing y'all kickboxing technique today. This is more in the boxing category. We're talking about the level change. That's going to be good for imitating, say, a slip, like you're moving out of the way of a punch, or setting up a body punch. The common mistake I see people make is they bend at their back. Say I throw a 1-2 and then a hook to the body. 1-2, hook to the body. I see this a lot. Not only is this not good technique, but it's also dangerous for your lower back and your body. You're not doing it properly to create power. We want to level change. What is a level change, you ask? It's a squat in your stance. A squat looks like this. Your stance looks like this. It's a combination of both. We want to squat into our stance. So we're going to go 1-2, level change, hook to the body. And that's going to give us more power, engage our core, and let us benefit more from the combination. One more time, 1-2, level change, 3 to the body. If it was going to be on the other side, 1-2, level change, hook to the body. So add that in and make sure that you're not causing any problems to your back and using all your power. Thanks, guys.